morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. Students, you should obey your parents and elders, and you should do whatever they ask you to do without being stubborn. And I know you all will do this because you all are good children. Now, let's start our EVS class. Today, I'm going to take you to the magical world of birds. Today, we are going to meet birds. You all have must seen birds flying high in the sky? Yes? And how do they fly? Like this. They fly with the help of with their wings. And where do they live? They live in nest. And you know where do they make their nest? On trees. So we should not cut trees. In fact, we should plant more and more trees. So are you all excited to meet the birds? Yes? So come, let's meet them. See, this is a crow. This is a crow. And crow is black in color. And crow makes the sound caw caw. कैसे करता है crow? Caw caw. And you all have learned the story of a crow. प्यासा कौवा learn करी थी ना आप सबने? Yes? So, there is a crow in that story. This is a parrot. This is a parrot. And parrot is green in color. And its beak is red. And you know kids, parrot loves to eat chilies. This is a sparrow. This is a sparrow. And it is small in size. And sparrow loves to eat food grains. ये तो आप सबको पता होगा. Do you know this bird? Yes? Yes, this is a pigeon. You must have seen this bird flying around your house. Yes, this is a pigeon. And pigeon is grey in color. And you know, pigeon loves to eat seed. Oh, see, who is there? There is an owl. आप सबने पेपर से बनाया था owl? Yes? So, this is an owl. And you know, owl stays awake at the night and sleep in the afternoon. Okay? And owl can see at the night also. Oh, there are some more birds. See, in the water, this is a duck. This is a duck. And how does the duck says? Quack, quack. हमने duck बनाई थी ना hand printing से? Yes? So this is a duck. Oh, which bird is this? This is a crane. Which bird is this? Crane. And see, its leg is very long. And its beak is so pointy. See? So this is a crane. Now, one more bird is there. See? Oh, this is a peacock. Which bird is this? Peacock. And peacock looks very beautiful. And see, its feather is so colorful. And peacock is the national bird of India. See, its neck is very long. So, this is आप सबको अच्छा लगा बर्ड से मिलके? Now I'll be back with another lesson. Till then, bye. Stay safe and stay home.